Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So COTI is really long time. I didn't do a follow-up on COTI. So as you can see, we had the high of the bull market here. It was 64.6 cents. Now we're doing this corrective movement. I think I'm not even sure on my last video on COTI. I was more bullish. I think I was here, taking this as a wave one. And after I was saying we did the A, the B, and now more likely we're going to do the C. As you can see now, unfortunately, because we went below 5 cent 3, all this it got invalidated, so forget about it, the wave 3 for the moment anyway. And yeah, we start back from scratch, unfortunately. Now this is the daily. Let's see the indicators. So as you can see that price is going a little bit slightly high, and then RSI is going too high, so I don't see any divergence here. Is price done with the corrective movement? I thought I had a bigger Fibonacci retracement. I guess I didn't. All right, so let's do that. So I honestly 1 2, this is another 1 2, or maybe we can say this is 1 2, but it didn't really, it kind of failed, and this is the bigger one. And maybe with like with Bitcoin, this is the one, this is the A overshooting wave B, and this is the C, to eventually complete the wave 2 in blue. Now I already put the dotted one line, so this is the invalidation point of this bigger count, so that's good. So now let's take the fib retracement since kind of the beginning of his history up to now, even though honestly I would prefer to take maybe the beginning here, but I'm going to give it a chance. And now let me take the wave 2. All right, so now let me take back here, so at least we're in the price range. And now let's zoom in and see what's happening with COTI. Didn't want to do that. All right, so unfortunately, once again, we did lose the 0.886. It's still going down, as you can see. So invalidation point, once again, it's about 5 cents, 5.5, actually 5.6 to round it up. Now, today the price it's 4 cents 3, and invalidation point it's 0.0058. So we have quite a lot of room for that. So to go back and invalidate this bigger count, we need to go down 86% about. So, well, I'm confident that COTI shouldn't do this invalidation, shouldn't reach this invalidation point, but the probabilities are still there. I would say it's unlikely, because eventually bull market is going to start, and somehow like COTI, it should take back the trend also with the whole market. Also COTI, it's doing something in it has a purpose in life, so it's not a meme coin that's just there and cute. So also that when because let's face it, more likely now everybody's working on something, and when the bull market it's really officially started, then all the companies, they will start to release announcements. Some they already start, but yeah, like when officially bull market it's on, then everybody's positive, and then if I was a company, I'm working hard in the bear market, and then when it's the bull market, I do all my announcement. I try to coordinate, at the good timing. That's a business, that's marketing. All right, so now let's see, maybe in a 4 hours time frame, what can we see for the moment. So we're still having this downtrend. line. If I take here, more likely already broke it. Yeah, if I take this point also. But let's see if I take something more recent, right? So I take just this one here. Yeah, so you can see that, this was kind of relevant, and now we're breaking out. Now, can I find something more long-term? Not really, see, because other long-term trend, they would be kind of broken, because I could do one here and take this point here, and would have make sense, but we already broke that one, right? So it's really, this was more the downtrend, and now we're kind of moving on the side, slightly down, but still. So now let me go back now on the daily chart. And as you can see, we did also had this long-term uptrend line. Actually, it should be in red, right? More positive. There you go. And unfortunately, we did lose also this one. So now, what are our next reference? So we have this peak here. And so that's going to be 3 cents. Let me put the ray. So we have a reference. So we said we have this one here, and after that we have this level here. So I honestly find that those 2 points, especially the next one, the following one, 3 cents too, it could be really a possible area where COTI can find a support. So give us a little bit, maybe up to the end of the month for sure, maybe of November, mid-November and November, and then after that, usually November, December, October, November, it's a good month, so maybe COTI is going to benefit of that to improve his chart, because now honestly it's COTI is really suffering. What else can I say? Honestly, there isn't much to say, right? For the moment, everything is kind of bearish. If I take just the last few days or a few weeks, well, maybe 10 days, it's trying to break this trend. Today, it's working hard. So maybe today is going to start to, succeed and really show us that, he has something, and he's fighting for it. So beside that, honestly, no, we need to be patient. You know what? Let me put the VRVP. Yeah, you see, so here we had a lot of volume on this level here. Now, once again, yeah, the bigger peak we have is at 2 cents, which is not really good. So as you can see, it's we really need to hold at least the beginning, try to hold this level here at 3 cents, and after that this one at 2 cents and a half kind of, and after that if we lose that, it's going to be really hard, because for sure it's going to go around 1 cent. So what's that? Yeah, 1 cent and 1 cent, 1.4 cents. So that's going to be very, very challenging. Hopefully we don't go there, but we will see. So this is another tool, the VRVP, that you can use to see what levels are the most traded. And actually, every time you can agree on a point where there are many variables that they converge, then you increase your probability of reversal of price. All right, so this is pretty much all for COTI for today. And once again, I want to remember that I start to change into the description. I write down, usually I start to update them. So let's say COTI, I'm going to put what does it do in life, what's its purpose, what should be its target. Actually, now I cannot do it, right? Because target for the next bull run, wave 2 is not even finished. So what can I say? And here, what did I put here? Don't even remember. See, the last time I did it, price was higher, so now I need to adjust it for 3 kind of. So if price continue or start to go down, well, the third wave should be around $1, so which would be amazing, and the wave 5 should be $1.65. But this is a projection, nothing. This for the moment, this is fictions, guys. So we have problem to just regain or reverse the trend. So we have a lot of work to do to go to those numbers. So for sure, this is for the moment very, very risky coin. Still in downtrend, maybe trying to do something today on the last few weeks, as you can see, but I don't see anything impulsive movement like here. So still corrective movement for the moment. So if you decide to invest, be careful. Alright, so this is started to be a long video, sorry for that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.